We get numerous calls from clients who want to know what it costs to repair a broken pipe. I wanted to do a video about that to explain a few of the details and give you a starting at price for that. Of course, as you, I'm sure, understand, piping comes in so many different sizes. So also, which makes it complicated, is that it can be a fitting, like a T, or it can be an elbow or a straight piece of pipe. It varies quite a bit in the complications of putting this back together. So for our pricing, we have a starting at point of $125 to repair a broken lateral line, which is a non-pressurized line. If it is a pressurized line and it's always under that static pressure, it takes a little bit more care and a little bit more time. We have to shut the water off to get that repair. So that starts at $225. It can go up based upon conditions like roots, or if it's really deep, or if it's super complicated. So just know that. I hope this information helps you in your decision-making process, and we're always here to help you out with broken pipes. So give us a call at 951-837-3209. Thank you for watching.